In this video, I'd like to compare two types of mesh commonly used in couture embroidery. My first sample is an ivory mesh with diamond-shaped holes. It's lightweight and often referred to as invisible mesh. The second sample is a standard mesh with hexagon-shaped holes, also ivory, and frequently used for bridal wear. Let's test the first sample. It stretches well in both directions. Even when I tried hard to tear it, it held up. I also attempted to deform it, but in the end, the mesh remained almost unchanged. A bit of steaming would help it return fully to its original shape. Now, let's look at sample 2. The threads in this mesh are thicker, but when I tried to tear it, it ripped easily. Even slight deformation caused the structure to collapse. So, what does this test show? The first mesh is great for embroidery. It's strong enough to hold even heavy embellishments. The second one might still work, but you'll need more experience and care to use it in couture projects.